welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I have a special guest with me today. This is my boyfriend Henny.
Hello, hello.
And he has agreed to let me do his makeup. So if you'd like to see how I do his makeup, please keep watching.
What's the first thing?
We'll just go with it. And what do I usually put foundation on with?
A goddamn brush.
Good to know how much he pays attention.
Well, you pick the tool.
No, you have to pick.
Well, I don't know.
Pay close attention.
Oh, the sponge.
Yeah.
So, now that I've messed up, what was supposed to go first?
The primer.
Fuck. Well, why would the primer go first? Like, what could go wrong now?
Well, it doesn't really matter because you're probably going to take this off as soon as we're done, but the primer just helps make the makeup look better and last longer.
Oh. Actually feels kind of good.
Really?
Is this the first time I've ever had my makeup done?
Yeah, guys, this is the first time he's ever let me do his makeup. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so foundation is done. What is next?
We're gonna do highlights. Is that not it? No, is it the setting spray? No? Stop.
What's next?
What the fuck is contour?
Yeah!
Okay, contour. Run the contour, guys.
I'll do the lightest on you. This is a cream contour, so I'm just dipping my beauty blender in it.
You gotta show them what it is.
It's upside down.
Guys.
It's upside down. You look so orange.
Fuck, I look ugly.
No, you look beautiful.
On camera, I look so pale.
In real life, you guys, he literally looks so orange. Wish you could see on the camera how orange you look. This is what I looked like in 6th grade when I tried to do my makeup.
It feels weird. It feels like something like this. Obviously, there's something on my face. But it feels like weird, like smooth.
Okay, that was a natural contour. What next?
Now we do the non-natural one? What do you mean? That was a good ass guess.
What do we use?
What do you mean?
Which tool?
Oh, you use one of these guys. Wait, stop.
No, that was good. That was good.
Okay. Wait, you gotta show them what we use, guys.
The Shade and Light
palette. The Shade and Light palette. But who's it by?
You tell me.
You tell me. It's by Kat
Von D.
Kat Von D.
Kat Von D. Alright, we'll attempt.
I'm looking good. I'm starting to feel myself.
Oh yeah. This is so dark on you. Oh my god. It looks like somebody punched you in the face.
Damn.
This is a lot.
Are we done with that?
Yep. Okay.
So get to.
Alright, what's next?
We're doing highlights, guys. Highlights, right?
Yeah. Which kind?
You know what? Today we're gonna do the highlight of
Those eyebrows.
Bomb ass brows. Guys, today we're gonna do the highlights. Never mind.
Yeah.
Highlights by NARS, guys.
Okay, what tool do we use for that?
Today's tool.
Focus, baby.
Is this the right way to open it?
Yeah.
What the hell? Guys, so we have these beautiful colors, and I will pick the color that I want. We're gonna go with this natural middle. We should do this one because I'm pale, right? We're gonna do this one because I'm pale. And what we use for that is gonna be a natural highlighting tool.
Which one?
Well, I don't want to ruin your brushes, dude.
I don't care.
This one.
Good job.
I got it right?
Yeah.
No way.
I love this
I
one.
practiced before. I looked up some
Yeah,
videos.
clearly. I will say you forgot the concealer.
What's that?
It brightens up like here.
Well, we could do
eyes.
it. Well, we could do that now.
No, it's too late.
Well, I get to pick.
No, because I already told you you can't use it now. You were already supposed to use it.
Concealer?
Honey, you can't do it after I told you. You missed it.
Don't. What are you doing my lip for?
To make your lips look bigger.
Ugh.
Alright, what's next? Not concealer.
I'm honestly lost. I have no idea. What's this? No, wait.
Concealer.
Oh. Concealer is when you like do like the stuff? Well, that's like the most important part.
You missed it. Because then you're going to wipe off this that we just put on.
What can be next? I don't even know. Lips?
Yeah.
Wait, no, stop.
What color do you want on your lips?
Bright red.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, pick your red.
Lip liner? This one. Guys, we're using this lip liner on me. It's gonna be the MAC Cherry.
Focus.
Run it. Run it. And for the main course, it's gonna be... I don't know what the name is, but it's gonna be this baby right here. Wow.
Wow.
Focus. Because this should be funny.
Don't talk while I'm doing your lips. This is insane. You look like a clown.
What? Why? Building that fountain. Wait, that caught me by surprise. I didn't think that was gonna be that bright. How bright is this?
Don't talk. I'm like messing it up. It looks bad.
Oh my god, really? Well, that's okay.
Go like this. Okay, what's next?
I feel like we're missing something.
Yeah, we are missing a few things.
I don't know what.
Okay, I can tell you we could move on to eyes.
Let's run eyes.
Okay, what do we use for eyes?
So eyes, basically we're gonna do that little thing where you go on top and end it here.
Eyeliner?
Eyeliner.
You don't want eyeshadow or anything?
Well, let's do eyeshadow first and then we'll do eyeliner.
Okay, what do we use for eyeshadow?
Eyeshadow, please. Where's your eyeshadow palette, please?
I can't tell you.
Okay, we're using Natasha.
Usually.
We're using this lipstick. I can't talk with this lipstick. Natasha Devona.
Zanona.
It's so bright. Here it is. You know what that is. You guys, you know what that is. So basically, when I'm thinking about picking one of these colors, I'm thinking about what's really gonna do it for me.
What colors do you want?
So red and gold, very splashy. I already went with the red lipstick. Very
So what color?
very exuberant. So we're gonna match. And you've never used this color before, so yeah. Guys, we're gonna use the gold in the middle.
Just that?
No, we could mix a couple. This, and then we'll do this, this nardy brown.
And then what tool?
For this, I usually like to, well, does it matter? Like, you actually, every brush has a specific thing.
That's not the only brush set, remember.
Oh, these.
Good job.
No way. Have I
Yeah.
gotten every single one right on that?
Not everything. You have lipstick on your teeth.
That's okay.
Okay,
It comes with the territory.
We're gonna use
It
the
looks
mustard.
so white, man.
Close.
I wonder if it's gonna be too white.
Close.
Open.
You have like no eyelids.
Good bug eyes.
I'm sorry, I'm used to having so much more space. Stop twitching!
I can't. You're touching my eye. Oh my god.
Dude.
I can't. It's a reflex, dude.
You look so creepy.
Something went wrong.
A few things went wrong.
It's like kind of soothing though. Like you don't want to open up your eyes. Like,
Stop.
I'm crying.
Are you?
Yeah, that actually like You don't want to open up your eyes.
Okay, do you want to use the same tool for this gold, or do you want to use a different tool?
No, we use a different tool because we don't want to mix the colors together like that.
Which one?
So we're just gonna go. No. Sure to use this. No. Come on, give me like a hint. I don't want to.
No.
I don't want to mess up your brushes.
I don't care. I'm gonna wash them.
Okay, whatever. Is this the same one? No.
No.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna use this. What does it matter? It's a different color.
You have lipstick all over your teeth.
That's okay. Like I said, it comes with the territory of being beautiful.
We shall try this out. I'm gonna tell you that's not the right brush for that, but close your eyes. Close your...
I don't know.
Don't twitch.
I can. It's a reflex. I'm telling you.
Ah!
It's like spazzing out.
Close.
Open.
This eyeshadow has so much fallout, so it's like getting on your under eyes.
It's okay. A little sparkle on the bottom.
Wait, turn towards the camera so they can see you. Oh my god, you look so creepy.
Something went wrong. I'm supposed to look better than this.
Yeah, you picked all the wrong things. Close. Close.
My god. My eyes, I just want to shut.
I'm just gonna wipe some of this off.
No.
It fell down.
Well, the sparkle complements the bottom.
It does not. That looks terrible.
Well, let's do the eyeliner next.
Beautiful. Don't twitch on this part.
I'm already twitching. We're doing eyelashes next, right?
No. Yeah, mascara.
Hey. It's like you're saying hello.
Hey.
Oh, Lana.
Alright, what's next?
I don't know anything next. What's next? I think we're done with the look, no? You could say it, I'll just cut it out.
Setting spray.
Okay guys, to finish it all off, I think I'm going to be using the setting spray. Now this setting spray is not just a regular setting spray, it's the Urban Decay setting spray. Go ahead.
Beautiful.
Wow, rejuvenated.
Right. And we're gonna add one final touch to this look. We'll be right back.
Like a movie star.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Henny.
So like I said, this is what he looks like all done. So if you guys want to see more funny videos like this, or if you'd want to see Henny in more of my videos, if you want us to do a Q&A together or something like that, to get to know us, please comment down below and let us know what you guys want to see. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Please comment down below.